World of Rock, music lessons, and more.
Kids, it's Mr. Socks. Are you ready to rock? It's time to rock. Let's go! Bam!
Hi, this is Brad Birkenall from Beale Street in Memphis, Tennessee, and you are watching Mr. Sock's World of Rock.
You are watching Mr. Sock's World of Rock. So rockstar.
Artist Jill is with me. It's a beautiful day at the Jersey Shore.
7th Avenue and Ocean.
7th Ave and Ocean. This place is called North Eats. We are in food truck heaven.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. It really is
A
good.
community of food trucks, about 6, and right behind us is our truck called the Sandbox.
And kids, actually, Jill the artist did the artwork on the food truck. It is amazing. It is a beach theme for sure, and it is awesome. Professionally done. High five.
High five.
Guys, we'll see you next time. Be well, be safe, and keep rocking.